So, what I have here are my CD Crossair boots. And I also got them from Ride Manila. I really can't believe, kasi upon looking sa website, it doesn't look this big. So, I know kasi there's a reason why boots ng enduro talaga, they're heavy and they're big and umaabot siya hanggang dito. Kasi most of the time, you have to protect yung pagbaksak mo ba. And madalas, ito yung sumasalo ng bike when you fall. That's why, kung mapapansin nyo, this part is really stiff. All of the parts here, napapalitan mo siya ng kulay, napapalitan mo siya ng part, so you don't have to keep on replacing it. And the best part, the best part that I liked about this is this. If you're gonna be buying your enduro boots, you have to just find yung size na tama yun dito sa part na to. Through the time na ginagamit mo yung boots, ma-break in mo siya. So you can just adjust this para mahanap mo yung tamang fit sa paa mo. Kasi it has to be snug. So I think it's a good investment if you buy this boot and then have it for the rest of your enduro trips.